What you're going to hear about today is nothing short of a miracle.
Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Welcome to this mostly empty classroom. We're going to work on some more story problems today, but you're going to be doing two pages 121 and 122. It's all about an amusement park in your math workbook. They're going to be mixed problems like we worked on yesterday, so they're not all going to be divided. So let's take a look at 121. I'll start reading them off for you.
All right, so these are all questions going to be about going to the amusement park. These are things you used to do before there was a raging pandemic. There are many things to do at an amusement park. Ride the rides, play some games, try some new foods. Many people like to ride roller coasters while at the amusement park. The tallest roller coaster in the world is 456 feet tall and is located in Jackson, New Jersey. In fact, the top 3 tallest roller coasters in the world are in the United States. And then here we go for our first 2 questions. Again, these are going to be kind of mixed. The 4th and 5th grade classes went on a field trip to the amusement park. There are 58 4th grade students who are in line to ride the Loop-de-Loop roller coaster. Each roller coaster car holds 4 people. How many roller coaster cars are needed so they can all ride in one roller coaster at once? This many kids, breaking them into groups of 4. This sounds like a division problem. And it also sounds like there's going to be a remainder and you're going to need to round up because you can't have leftover kids, so you need one more car at the end. There are 41 5th grade students who are in line to ride the mile-long wooden roller coaster. Each roller coaster car holds 6 people. How many students will be in the roller coaster car that is not full? Ooh, good question. 41 kids, breaking them into groups of 6. So it's going to be a divide. But in this case, they don't really care about that. They just want to know what the remainder is, right? How many students will be in the roller coaster car that is not full? So at the end, there's going to be one more car you have to have. They want to know what's that going to be. So only the remainder on that one, it sounds like. 3 more to go. It said after riding, what's a cool picture? After riding the roller coasters, the 4th and 5th grade classes spent the rest of the day getting lunch, going shopping, and riding the rest of the rides at the amusement park. There are 27 students in Evan's group. Each student decides to get a kid's meal for lunch at the food stand. If each kid's meal is $7, how much did the students spend in lunch altogether? Altogether. It's getting bigger. 27 students, and they each spent $7. Oh yeah, multiply. 31 students are in line to ride the Ferris wheel. 4 students are needed to fill each Ferris wheel car. How many Ferris wheel cars will be full? 31 students, 4 per car. That sounds like divide to me, right? How many will be full? And in this case, they don't really care about the remainder, do they? So that tells me they're probably going to end up with a remainder, but they don't care. How many cars will be full? So the remainder, forget about it in this one. Lastly, for this, in a souvenir shop, a worker opens a box of posters. The posters in the box are bundled in groups of 8. There are a total of 2,864 posters in a box. How many bundles of posters are in the box? Whew, confusing, huh? Posters are in boxes that are bundled in groups of 8. So groups of 8. This many posters, and then how many bundles of posters are in the box? This much into groups of 8, big number, breaking into smaller numbers. There we go.
Okay, 121 and 122. Get pictures of those answers in there for me, and good luck.